Okay guys, welcome again to my channel. So this is a great opportunity that I want to share with you guys. This platform that I'll be talking about here will give you access to make massive USDT for free for yourself. Just follow me as I guide you on how to get this done on this platform. So most of the updates that I share here, I've benefited from them. Most of them I benefited, that is why I share them on this platform. But this one is currently new. It was launched yesterday, and it has hit up to 5,000 members on their platform in Telegram. So I'll be showing you how everything works, how you can get free bonus when you sign up on this platform, and also do your daily task. So it has many options, which is precisely two. There are two options through which you can get VIP for yourself, and it's just a simple method that you can use. So first of all, sign up using the link in the description of this video. Then you come to your dashboard. So when you get to log into your account with your email and password that you've registered with, so you click on home. So this is actually where it's going to land you to. Now let me show you something, guys. So this platform is user friendly, and let me just dive into my WhatsApp platform to show you how this thing works. Now I've actually shared this in my group. So what you need to do is to sign up. Now you earn $0.5 every day, or 0.5 cents every day on this platform. Now registration bonus is $3, which will help you to get your account upgraded to VIP1. Now for $7 reward, you need to have at least 25 people under your registration. It's very simple, so I will show you how to get it done very easy, and minimum withdrawal is $3. Now let's go back to the platform. So now I'm back to the platform. So first of all, when you register, you will see your account dashboard like this, which is actually your home page. So when you go to me, so when I click on me, you will see that a new page like this will pop up. As you can see, I completed 2 tasks and received $0.5 today. Now let me hit on balance to show you something, guys. So currently I have this balance $3.5 here on my account. So when I go back again, that 3.5 was actually $3 was received from the platform when I sent my ID, which is currently this one. You can copy it right here and send to the platform and take a screenshot of this your account page like this as it is now. So then send it to the group, which I'm going to show you now, and you can see others that are sending theirs there, and you join them, send, and also you receive $3 immediately, and also come back and complete your task every day to get your earnings. So when you copy this ID, you copy this, then go to Telegram. So let's just locate Telegram. So let me just use my Telegram account and show you how you can get to receive your bonus. Now this is actually the group, the platform group. So as you can see that currently there are about 5,000 members who just registered just yesterday that this account, this platform got launched. Now when you scroll through, you see that there are a lot of people sending details, sending their ID and screenshot to receive bonus. I just received mine, which I showed you, and it's currently more than $3 in my balance. So when you copy it, take a screenshot, come to this place and upload it like this person. So just click here. So when you want to upload, you just click here. It will direct you to your photo list. You can select the screenshot you've taken, then attach your ID like this person, so you can receive it immediately in your balance. So it's very simple. Now you go back, let's go back to the account, the platform page. So when we are back on the platform page, what we need to do is to show you how to receive your daily task and do the task. Very simple. So you now need to come to task here. So you click on task. So once you are on task, page like this will pop up. Now you need to select this VIP 0 because currently you are on VIP 0. You don't need to check other ones here until you upgrade your account. You can be able to earn higher. So you can use either Facebook or Instagram. This platform is just like Bitland, which is actually currently paying. And guys, I share most update that I've benefited, though I hardly share my proofs. Sometimes people will think that I'm doing it just to share updates, but most of them I benefit from them and I withdraw from most of them. That is why I share them. But basically this one will give everybody access to complete task and then use their balance to upgrade, and they receive daily earnings on bonuses from completing simple task as well. Now you get to click on this. So to do your task, first of all click on V0. A page will load up like this. So as you can see that there will be a two task for you to complete. So you need to click on receive and click on receive. So first of all, let's do the first one. I've actually done this task, but I'll guide you on how you can do it. So you click on receive. Now you need to click on this, click here. So it will take you straight to Facebook. So it will take you straight to Facebook like this. So you wait for it to load. You now come to this place and select this. So you click on like, then take a screenshot. Take a screenshot like this. So just take a screenshot. Now you are done. You go back to the platform page. So once you are on platform page, you click on this back icon. So return button is here. Now you need to click again. All right, now you come back to this place, click here, just click this three dotted lines, then it will say on finish here. Now I've completed this task, that is why it's showing finish. So but your own is going to say not finished or not submitted. So just click on it like this. You need to upload screenshot. You tap here, there will be an empty space here, tap it, upload the screenshot and click submit button down. You wait for it to be reviewed. Within 1 to 3 minutes it will be reviewed, and do the same for the two tasks that you receive. Then you receive your earning or your daily task reward on this platform for free every morning. So when you want to upgrade your account, simply come to this VIP section. So click on VIP. So when you click on VIP, you see that something like this will pop up. So there are options for this is VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3 and VIP 4 according to the balance you have. So as you can see that this is option for wallet upgrade, and also this is option for direct payment, but I recommend you use wallet update, guys. Now for those that want to deposit, you can use direct payment, but because of my recommendation, you want to upgrade. Once you have the requirement for upgrade, you keep earning. So you select this one. Then you select the VIP you want to upgrade to. So you select it, anyone you wish to upgrade to according to the price balance you have, and now you click on upgrade. Successfully to be upgraded for you. That is how you can get to upgrade your account. Now for withdrawal, you need to go to me again. So click on me. So now you have to click on this balance here. So click on balance. It will take you to a page like this. So as you can see, and you click on withdrawal, you put your withdrawal address and the password. So that is how it is. Put the email address here and the password and submit. Successfully your withdrawal will be deposited in your balance or your wallet account. So that is how to upgrade. Now to share your link to get at least 25 referrals and get $7 for free, you need to copy your wallet referral ID here. So just click on this. Now copy this particular one link here. So to check your team, you click here to check your team. So now you copy this, share it with your friends, let them sign up, or you can use the template of my promotion and share it so that it will guide people on how to do the whole stuff. So just follow the link in the description of this video and register. And also I will drop the reward link, or the reward link, their Telegram platform, where you can receive $3 bonus when you sign up. Now to come chat with the customer service, you can use support option here. So it will directly take you to this platform too. So this is actually the admin. You can chat with the admin for any inquiry. So that is how it is. So guys, one more thing here is when you have 25 referrals, just hit on this support and she will, or he will credit you $7 extra. Now you'll be having up to $11 to $12 in your balance when you do that. But for those that can't refer, you can keep earning, just like I guided you on how to keep earning on Bitsland. Until by now, those that are on Bitsland should have at least $25 remaining few days. Then the person can be able to upgrade, and you can freely withdraw up to $70, or I think it's $6 for the required section of the VIP. So that is how it works. Most of this platform, you need to be very active and do the due diligence in order to make money for free. So those are the requirements. Some tasks will some platform will require completing daily tasks. Some platform require sharing link. That those are the demands for you to make money online if you can't afford to invest your own capital. So you have to be ready to do the task requirements. So if you know the trick behind online platform, you will always be at profit side every moment, and you also be benefiting from almost all the free earning platform that I share, and also the ones that other YouTubers share on channel on their various YouTube platforms. So guys, that is how it works. Remember to copy your ID here, then I'll drop the link in the description of the video, link to the Telegram channel where you can upload, let them send you $3. So you can also do other stuff that I've actually guided you on how to do it here. So if you have any question, guys, you can join my WhatsApp group using the link in the description of this video. If you are new to my channel, also subscribe and stay tuned, guys. Do not miss any of my videos. You might not really know the update that is going to change your life forever. That is one thing. With I share both crypto opportunities and also other investment plans, any platforms that can give you access to make money online for free, and also for the paid ones too. So if you need any inquiry, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Let me guide you through according to the best of my knowledge, if I'm actually on the update. So guys, thank you for watching. If you want to save this, I've actually made this tip. If you want to save this as an app on your phone for easy access, just hit here. You can locate this add to home screen. Add to home screen, automatically it will be added to your home screen for you. You can easily reach out to open the platform directly using that saved app on your home screen. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. I drop all the links that you need in the description of this video. You can be able to get in touch and sign up. Also send your screenshot for bonuses, and as well join my WhatsApp group for frequent updates, because not all updates are being shared on this YouTube channel. Only the ones that I think will go more global that I share on this YouTube channel. So guys, thank you.